Hi, Brenda Collins 62. This is Webkinz Miley Cyrus, and this is my entry for your Webkinz subscribers contest. And I think I should win this contest because I currently do not have a Webkinz account, and I lost all of my Webkinz stuffed animals, but I don't have a Webkinz account anymore. It expired like 2 years ago, and this is just the one from the account, and its name was Bananas. And I first got that account when I was like 10. I'm 12 now. And I remember the username of the account was Chloe4771329. I still remember it. And I remember being on like Webkinz World, and it was a lot of fun. And I had like 5 Webkinz on there. I had a pink poodle. His name was Cutie Pie. I had a black bear who I don't remember what its name was. And the golden retriever's name was Goldie. That was the first one I ever got, and this one was on it. And I got this one for my birthday party when I turned like 11 or something. Or no, maybe I got the Webkinz account when I was 9, and then I turned 10 and I got like 3 more Webkinz. And then the account expired like 2 years ago. So I kind of just forgot about Webkinz World for a pretty long time, and then I just like entering a bunch of Webkinz contests and drawing contests, and I've won one of them before, but I don't really remember what happened when I did that one. But so I just am entering yours because I miss Webkinz World a lot, and decorating the rooms and buying them food and all that's a lot of fun. So I hope that I win the raffle, and this is my entry. So thanks for holding the contest. Even if I don't win, it's good that somebody else is gonna get Webkinz. So thanks, bye.